Oh, this is the first time that we are doing this, that we're going live on Facebook, and we are doing the episode with none other than my favorite Bhumi. And as I was telling her, yaar, aap kaise karte ho? You keep changing yourself, you keep transforming. How do you do it?
Lot of hard work, yeah. Loads and loads and loads of hard work.
Yeah.
That's the only way to do it,
Now,
no?
considering I've been 110 kgs at one point of time.
Whoa!
Yeah,
look
high
at you
five.
now.
तो कौन से जिम?
जी मेरे घर के पास ही एक बहुत ही बढ़िया जिम
हाँ।
इंच बाय इंच
हाँ।
और मेरे पास एक बहुत ही बढ़िया ट्रेनर है प्रणय
हाँ।
तो अगर आप में से किसी को जिम ज्वाइन करना है प्लीज प्रणय के साथ
You have called trouble. अभी इंच बाय इंच सारे लड़के वहाँ पे खड़े होने वाले हैं कि उम्मीद अभी आती है. But seriously, first of all, congratulations. How does it feel to be a part of a national award-winning film?
Well, it feels honestly very surreal. I still can't believe it that this has happened with my little sweet little film. And yes, the national award was like the icing on the cake. But you know, पूरा पिछला साल और जितना भी अभी तक साल खत्म हुआ, it's been so great. Like you know, the way the people enjoyed our film, the love we got from the audiences, then the awards.
Yeah.
And now the national awards. So I'm still pinching myself. Oh my God, has this really
Just
happened?
about to ask you that. Do you keep pinching
Yes,
yourself?
I do, man.
Yeah.
Like, believe me, I'm always like, I wake up in the morning and I'm like, you're living your dream, homie. Gratitude, humbleness, you're living your dreams. So very
Yeah.
happy.
Because you know, when I was reading up about you, मुझे कहीं पे भी ये नहीं लिखा कि आपने लोगों को पहले से बताया था कि मुझे एक्ट्रेस बनना है और all तो वो hidden ambition था या फिर you know it just happened?
No, जी hidden ambition था because I was 12 when I decided I want to be an actor, and very few people in my life knew about it. Like my mother and my best friends, my sister, my family knew about it. But when I started working, I didn't really tell anybody this because you know I started working when I was really young, and you're really confused, right? So I was like, मैं direct करूँगी. मुझे ये पता था फिल्में करनी है. Acting का मैंने अपना passion. सॉरी यार मैं बार बार माइक को हाथ लगा रही थी बट माइक का बोल रही हूँ मैं मेरी एक्टिंग का पैशन वाज प्योरली with me like professionally I didn't tell anybody but then I worked with Shanu Sharma and I remember her telling me once that you know you don't want to direct if you wanted to your script would have been ready, you're an actor, just do it. So and it's so funny because I started working on it and I started working out and everything, and then I found out I lost like a good amount of weight, and then I found out that dam laga ke hairstyle is happening, so I had to gain all of it back.
It went the other way around. अरे बाप रे, मतलब पहले पूरा weight lose करो, उसके बाद पूरा gain करो. वड़ा पाव मत
Pretty much. Butter chicken, a margherita pizza, dal makhani, naan. I can survive on it.
बाकी जितनी भी एक्ट्रेसेस सुन रही हैं बेहोश हो जाएंगी सुन के कि किसको मिलता है ऐसा कि हाँ बेटा तुम बटर चिकन खाओ, तुम मार्गरेटा पिज्जा खाओ. You must be making a lot of actresses jealous with that, no?
Well, I'm sure because everybody loves food, man. So yeah for sure.
Okay, food के साथ साथ you know there are some things that I'm sure आपने कई बार की होंगी और कई बार बहुत सारी चीजें नहीं की होंगी. So we're gonna do never ever have I with you. Here's your slate. This is for never have I and this is for have I. I'm gonna ask you questions. You have to fटाफट
Okay.
कि आपने किया है.
I'm getting a little nervous.
नहीं ऐसे मतलब मैं आपका नंबर नहीं मांगने वाला हूँ on at least not on camera.
Thanks.
बाद में देखेंगे. All right. So never have I ever lied to get out of a relationship. किया है? अच्छा.
Details मत पूछना.
यार मतलब
Next question नहीं.
नाम मत बताओ, details बता दो.
नहीं कर सकती हूँ. But I was in college that time.
So what was the lie that you gave?
I can't.
You can't tell
I
that.
can't because that person will know. How can I do that? No, I
I'm sure उस इंसान को पता चल गया.
Believe me, I was good at it. I've always been a very good actor. So
I should have asked how many have been. चलिए, called in sick because I was too tired. नहीं काम करना, मैं बहुत बीमार हूँ.
okay, come on, let's just be truthful.
Was it Damla के show?
Oh no. This was when I used to like assist in everything, and Shanu is like an elder sister to me, right? तो कैसे कभी-कभी मम्मी से घर पे ऐसे कहते हैं ना झूठ वो वाले, innocent झूठ होते थे. शानू में बहुत बीमार हो, शानू बोलती थी भूमि you're a fraud. I know you are lying.
She knew it.
Yeah.
तो शानू मतलब कितना झूठ बोला गया. Okay, flick something from a hotel room as a kid or as a grown up यार.
Never.
नहीं वो शैम्पू, साबुन, bathrobes.
नहीं नेवर।
No?
मैंने एक बार बाथरूम की चप्पू होती है ना वो,
Bathroom slippers?
हाँ, और वो मैंने ली नहीं थी, वो मजबूरी थी क्योंकि मेरे जूते मेरी दोस्त पहन के चली गई थी, सो आई डिडंट हैव एन ऑप्शन। मैं पूरे दिन टावल की बाथरूम की चप्पलों में घूम रही थी।
मतलब that must have been side की भूमि पेंटिंग कर गई टॉवल चप्पल, very nice. Wished I had done a contemporary role.
Have I ever wished?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I have
कौन सा
definitely.
role?
जी बहुत सारे, like you know, इतनी brilliant फिल्में आई हैं पिछले कुछ सालों में, like you know, be it a Pico, be it an NH10, like whenever you see a good film, you would always want to be like, wow, man, I would want to be a part of this film, not that I would do it better or what. You know?
But actually, you would have been amazing in Pico, man.
Thank you.
Sorry, Deepika, but you know, all right. Gossip about a co-star.
Gossip about it. My co-star has only been one, Ayushmann Khurrana, and there's no gossip about him. Ayushmann is a very nice guy, so I never have.
Wished to be a star kid. ये तो हुआ.
Never.
Even when like the road was tough and you know, नहीं.
I love my family. I love the kind of setup I come from. I love the way my life is planned out, and I've worked really hard, and I've never wished it because I'm very proud of where I am. Never.
We are also very proud of you. Regretted a date this one is fun.
I have.
ऐसा क्या हुआ था उस डेट में? I wanted to-
आप ऐसे डिटेल्स पूछ ही नहीं सकते अगर उन्होंने देख लिया फिर।
तो क्या हुआ? नहीं हुआ ना वर्कआउट डेट?
So there was this one time that I was set up on a date when I was this is like 2-3 years ago, and that guy wasn't from India, an NRI guy, and I went, and it was the most boring date of my life because we just didn't have anything to speak about.
How's the weather?
Yeah, it was worse than that.
Yeah.
Oh, I like your shoes. Yeah, have a sip of water. So you want to order? It was the awkwardest date of my life.
He said he loves your shoes.
Yeah, like
I'm glad that the date didn't work out. उसको कुछ होने नहीं वाला था, even you know that. All right. Regretted a red carpet wardrobe. कि मैं क्यों पहन के चली?
Never.
No?
अभी तक जो भी मैंने किया है, I've been very happy. Thank you, Shaina, for not letting me have a regretful moment.
Okay.
I really own up to my style. Like, this is how I am, man.
Cool, yeah. Had a crush on a school teacher.
School team, no. Never.
Liar.
I swear. You know, I come from a school called Arya Vidya Mandir in Bombay, and
That explains it.
yeah. So वहाँ पे जब staff भी आता था, we would get up and say नमस्ते दीदी, नमस्ते भैया. तो आप समझ रहे हो, थोड़ा उस तरीके का माहौल था. तो
नहीं, मेरा मतलब आपके लिए बहुत सिंपैथी है अभी, मतलब बेचारी को कोई मजा नहीं मिला स्कूल में यार।
नहीं, मजे तो मिले हैं।
हाँ, thank you.
स्कूल टीचर में कभी क्रश नहीं था।
स्कूल के सब बाकी लड़के तो उनपे
हाँ, कोई स्कूल था। I come from a very fun school.
I hope आपने उन्हें हाउ यू भैया नहीं बोला।
नहीं।
Alright. Tried too hard to get opposite sex attention in a coffee shop.
Never have I. I've always gotten it, even when I was bigger, even now I'm just blessed. Thank you God.
Bigger. I love the way like even when I was bigger, attention to
Yeah.
beauty. तो सीक्रेट बता दो बहुत सारी लड़कियों को, क्योंकि मेरी बहुत सारी दोस्त हैं, वो कहती है यार आई एम नॉट हॉट, एंड दे कीप फ्लिकिंग देयर हेयर जैसे लड़का देखती है। तो
Hotness, I feel, is in your head. Like, you know, honestly, I've been asked this question a lot of times. You know, how did you feel when you were overweight? I was like, even today, even then, when I saw myself in the mirror, I always saw, wow, what a beautiful, hot girl. So in my head, I think I'm just really full of myself. So I've never felt the need to be it. I think I am it. So.
एक्चुअली क्योंकि मैं मोटा था तो मुझे भी उस समय कभी रियलाइज नहीं होता कि मैं कितना मोटा था। We never know, right?
Correct. Like, I was always like confident.
Yeah.
And I think that also comes from your family. I strongly believe, because you know my family never made me feel like I have any sort of a drawback in me.
Yeah.
मैं किसी और से कम हूँ.
Your friends.
Yeah, like I would dress the way I want. I partied equally. I got the same amount of attention from the opposite sex. So my life was really good.
अगर ऐसा होता कभी when we go back and look at those pictures like हम कैसे दिखते थे यार, तो इस समय मेरे को रियलाइज नहीं होता।
So मेरे लिए तो पूरी फिल्म है तो।
No, but you were damn cute in that film. Yeah. I mean, I loved her. Alright, now हम एक मजेदार चीज करेंगे, never ever have I तो हो गया। It's called dialogue बाजी। तो हम आपको एक डायलॉग देंगे, लेकिन आपको हम ये भी बताएंगे तो किस स्टाइल में बोलना है। For an example, these are your dialogues, and the first one you have to say as a telegram girl.
Okay.
It's an iconic dialogue. भूमि पेडनेकर for the first time.
मेरा first time audition हो रहा है live, ये भगवान।
पहले नहीं दिया तो अब दो।
इस एक चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत आप तो नहीं जानोगे रमेश बाबू, God, I'm so bad at this. Can we not do this?
देखो टेली ब्रांड गर्ल तो सॉरी भूमि आप नहीं बना
बिल्कुल नहीं।
एक्टर
Cancel. I've lost one job. Shit.
ऑलराइट, ये वाला आपको इन शाहरुख खान स्टाइल करना, यू लाइक हिम?
I love him, but let me see how much of it can I do.
Let's see how big a fan Bhumi is.
Hey, बसंती, इन कुत्तों के सामने मत नाच.
शाहरुख खान फैन तो है भाई. All right, this is my favorite. ये आपको मच्छी वाली की स्टाइल में बोलना है.
मच्छी ले लो. बड़े बड़े शहरों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती है.
देखो टेली ब्रांड गर्ल तो भूमि नहीं बन पाएगी, पर मच्छी वाली एनी डे यू कैन फाइंड हर इन वर्सोवा, किसी पे भी है बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल हो जाएगी. एंड दिस वन इज माय फेवरेट इन सलमान खान स्टाइल.
हे भूमि, नाम तो सुना होगा.
All right, the next Khan heroine we have sitting with us. Now this is the rapid fire questions. Obviously I'm not Karan Johar, but अपनी style में करेंगे.
Okay.
If you were to write an autobiography, what would you call it?
Epicness personified.
तेरी बहुत इंग्लिश हो गई भाई. If you could eat one food forever, what would it be?
Butter chicken. For the rest of my life.
Seriously? That big a fan? One actor you would like to date?
One actor I would like to date would be Ryan Gosling.
कितनी स्मार्ट है ना, हेडलाइन नहीं बनानी इसलिए रायन गॉसलिंग बोल दिया, वहां जाके थोड़ा ना बैठे. बट इंडिया में
पता नहीं यार, सोचना नहीं, सोच के बता.
सोचा तो रोज है बट बोलना नहीं कैमरे पे.
हाँ,
चलो ठीक है.
You've saved me, thanks.
All right, what's the last funny forward you got on your WhatsApp?
I honestly have blocked everybody that sends me a forward, so it's been a while. But a very happy forward that I got on my WhatsApp was when we won the national award, and my mom had like broadcasted a very sweet message thanking everybody. So that was the only legit forward I got.
You block people on your WhatsApp because
whoever sends me forwards, I can't deal with it because it gets saved in my phone, and then I don't have space, and then every day I have to delete photos. You know how inconvenient it is for a girl who's obsessed with clicking selfies.
ये बहुत सारे लोगों का भी रियलाइज होगा क्या कर दिया मैंने WhatsApp पे फॉरवर्ड भेज के. If not here giving an interview right now, where would you be and what would you be doing?
If I wasn't here, I probably would be in the gym because this is around this time is where, or I would be home watching a film.
Which is inch by inch. All the guys remember. What's the funniest prank you have ever played or has been played on you?
Wait, this was really mean. I don't think this was funny. But my cousin has a phobia of cats. Okay, and I don't know what came into us, but we were at a friend's place who has like a pet cat.
Yeah.
And we told her, yeah. Oh, okay, yeah. So she entered and we just like threw the cat on her, and it was a little kitten, yeah, not like threw like, and she got so scared. At that time it felt really funny, but right now, sorry bro, I did that to you. I know it's really mean.
I never could have thought that Bhumi is one of those जो pranks. What does your name mean?
My name means earth. Dharti, Mata, Prithvi.
माता तो नहीं जाता आपके साथ. One Hollywood celebrity you lust after.
Ryan Gosling.
Seriously? That big a Ryan Gosling? What is with Ryan Gosling and girls, yeah?
Because have you seen The Notebook?
Yeah.
Like, oh my god. Like, after watching The Notebook, I don't know that it's unreal. How can you not fall in love with that man? Like, that is the man you want. Like, he's just gorgeous and beautiful.
Alright, मेरी डायरेक्टर भी पीछे से हाँ. A childhood injury you remember?
I got hit on my head and I still have like a bit of a दिख रहा है balls. थोड़ा अभी हील हो गया है, but बहुत जोर से लोहे का दरवाजा मुझे लगा था मेरी बेवकूफ़ी की वजह से. वो रिकॉइल होके मैं अपनी नानी के घर पे थी जयपुर में, तो वहाँ तो बड़े बड़े घर होते हैं. So we were playing और मैंने जोर से धक्का दिया दरवाजे को, it came and it hit me back. It's really bad.
मतलब you wouldn't ऐसे geeky gawky भूमि के बारे में सोचा नहीं था. One thing your mom doesn't approve of.
She thinks I am a little careless because I have a habit of losing things. Like मैं कभी laptop रिक्शा में छोड़ देती हूँ, phone कहीं घुमा देती हूँ. So I'm just very bad with electronics. So she gets really upset.
I hope आपके फोन से password लगे.
जी बिल्कुल. अभी तो मैं बहुत ही careful हूँ. Touch wood, thank you God. I've not lost something in a while.
बहुत सारे लोग होंगे जो बहुत खुश होंगे अगर भूमि का फोन मिल जाएगा. चलो भाई, तो thank you so much Bhumi for being with us. I absolutely love your acting in your film, and I hope to see you in so many more movies.
Thank you. Thank you.
Alright, this is it for the first time. Bhumi live on Facebook with us and on the episode. Stay tuned to Spotlight.